I'm just gonna do a quick room tour of the St. Ermin's Hotel. We have a family room. We are only here for the night, and I'm actually really sad. Look at this beautiful room. So we have, really great start. Oops, marble floors, little mirrored closet here with robes and little footies. And there are apparently 2 bathrooms. Look at this beautiful, beautiful bathroom with a shower, obviously a toilet, and it's some little supplies, shower cap, and little supplies. And there's Flowers is the brand of the products in the shower. Looks like very soft towels. There's a beautiful writing desk. And look at these beds. Beautiful beds. And we are, I wonder if you can see it. No. So this is, you can see the hotel a bit. It is as close to Westminster Abbey as you could possibly get. It's right across the street. So here's 2 beds. Here's the kids on the second bed. See, there's it's like a really nice, like a sofa bed, but it's actually a little bigger. More beautiful windows. It's a family room. And, oh look, there's a tub in this one. I wish we were staying longer. Anyways, that is a quick room tour. Oh, look at this. Oh, there's like a little, oh, are there robes in here too? Look at that, robes. And I don't know what this is. I mean, I do know what this is. I wonder if those are treats for us to have. Look at that. Extra dark chocolate. I'm gonna move in. And then water, tea and coffee. This is wonderful. This is where we're staying the whole time, our next trip. All right. You guys excited? Should we go get dinner?
Yes.
All right. Anyways, that's the hotel. If you want to stay here, it is St. Ermin's Hotel.